Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
I explain how to use classes in Unity using C# scripts and mono behavior. You attach C# files to game objects to run behavior at runtime. Create one class per file and name the file to match the class name. Use the mono behavior base to access start and update lifecycle methods. Start runs once when enabled, and update runs every frame during play mode. You can also write plain C# classes without mono behavior for data or utilities in your project. Declare public fields to expose values in the inspector like public int health equals 100. Use serialize field to expose private fields when you want encapsulation. Use getComponentType to access a class attached to the same game object at runtime. For cross-object references, drag references in the inspector or find them with findObject of type during awake. Instantiate prefabs with instantiate, prefab, position, rotation, and then access their classes to initialize favor composition over inheritance by combining small components on one game object for clarity. Keep heavy logic out of update. Use coroutines, timers, or event-driven patterns instead to reduce overhead. Use plain C# classes for pure data like inventory items, using serializable when you want inspector support. Pass references through public fields, constructors for non-mono behavior classes, or factory methods to keep coupling low. Write unit-testable code by isolating logic into classes without Unity dependencies, when possible for reliable testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.